In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Zoonomaly on your PC. So Zoonomaly is basically a puzzle-based survival horror game set in an open-world zoo. This is a non-linear game, so you may take any path to achieve competition. A zoo has been taken over by monsters and you have been tasked with entering this zoo, finding the cause of monster infestation and putting a stop to it. So in order to download this game, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open any browser in your system. Then you're going to type into the search box for Steam and hit enter. After that, you will be able to see here the first link from the official website of Steam. So you're going to click on that. And once you do so, you will be able to see here this kind of interface. And if you see at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see here a search box. So you're going to type in here the name of your game in this search box, which is Zoonomaly. And once you search for it, you will be able to see here Zoonomaly game. So you're going to click on that. And once you're here, you're going to scroll down until you find the option add to cart. So you're going to click on that. And then you're going to click on view my cart. If you want to remove any unnecessary items, you can just click on remove on them. Otherwise, you can just click on continue to payment. Once you click on continue to payment, if you are not already signed in to Steam, they will firstly ask you to put in your login information. Otherwise, you will be redirected to this kind of page. Here, first of all, you want to select the payment method that how you want to pay along with your payment information. And once you have done that all, you can scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, the game will be purchased and added to your library. So you're going to scroll up back and then click on Steam logo from the upper side of your screen to go back to Steam home page. And once you're here, you're going to hover over your username and then you're going to click on games. Once you click on games, you will be able to see here all of your games in this account over here. So you're just going to scroll down until you find your game, which is Zoonomaly. And once you have found that, you can just click on download. And once you do so, it will start downloading into your device.